Oh, hell no.
I have to get up earlier for school.
That's gonna be the thumbprint.
Oh, I almost threw up. Threw up. Sorry. All right, you guys.
Is it glitched?
No, it's not glitched. Maybe.
You're live.
Oh no, it's working.
Oh, I'm so tired. Actually, I was actually ready to get up for once.
Well, I've been up for like 2 hours.
No, you have
I look
not.
like Lord Farquaad right now. Low key.
Yeah.
I literally came down here when I heard you wake up because you woke up with a fart.
Kehlani's
I
leaving
did,
for
actually.
camp, you guys. Ew, you're just
Forever.
going
Wait, I didn't wake up with a fart.
I literally heard it was like.
Oh yeah. No, that was not.
It was
It
bad.
was not like that. It was silent.
It was not
Yeah,
silent.
she
I heard
did.
it when I was walking up the stairs.
No.
Kehlani has camp, you guys. She leaves today. So how does this have to be?
It just has to be a high pony with a
Okay.
sit back.
Give me that brush. Give me a water out
I
of
don't want
the
lice.
Emma doesn't want lice, she said.
I don't have lights.
Where's the ponytail that you have? The so-called ponytail.
Right here. Ow.
What? Kehlani's not used to me doing her hair. Like there or
Like
higher? Or like here?
When was the last time she did
It doesn't
your
have to be
hair?
too high.
Is
Yeah.
that good?
Yeah, that's fine.
When's the last time she did your hair?
You want me to spray water or no?
No.
Kehlani, you should feel what Brisa feels.
This
Because
hurts.
I pull her way harder than this. Let me see the ponytail.
You're like,
When my hairs are out.
stay back.
Oh, you need them all back? Mommy, give me the water. Where's the gel?
It's in the bathroom.
What
I
am I doing?
I thought you were getting me.
No, I don't even know where anything's at. Give me the gel, baby.
It's in the bathroom. It doesn't have a lid on it.
Kehlani, you sound like a
My
fucking
makeup!
chimpanzee.
My
Did you put
makeup.
setting spray on?
No.
She literally sounded like a chimp.
Okay, but
Why is it like melted?
Like there?
Is it melted?
Can you give me some?
it's like Melt Maxine.
Mom, what
Why'd
the
you
heck?
smack it like that?
That's like when I smack your butt on a Tuesday morning.
It's true.
She said I was just gonna say Brisa doesn't budge. Okay, but
No,
I
Brisa
don't know how
doesn't.
Brisa does it.
I literally do way harder than this. Like,
Oh my god, I got a big head.
Whenever Brisa's
Oh my
moving?
gosh.
Maybe you can get a
Cancel.
tattoo on it. And put loyalty on it.
Ew, that's so bad. Why do I have a humongous head?
I feel like it's
As
normal
big
size.
as Pearson's.
No.
I'm not wrong as hell for that. She know it.
And I do it.
Anyways, Kehlani's leaving for camp. I have a question. She said all the girls. Wait, hello. Why does it say 0 at the top? Here, give me that.
It's glitching.
It's glitching. Kehlani, so she said all the girls are gonna have their phones and they're all gonna play games together at night. And she said if she could take one of my spare phones.
Because I don't want to feel left out. And they're all talking about it.
What if Mom wants to play music in the
And I'm
back?
just like, she has 2 spare phones. She
So,
doesn't have one, she has
like, what do I do?
Line is not in the middle. I really do not care.
Wait, she wants you to brush it back? Like,
No.
is that what she's talking about?
No, I don't know. But she
About
said
the
your
line?
line is not centered. or something
Oh,
like
it's
that.
okay.
I don't really care. And my
You
It's
don't have
not,
to have
it's
a
not
line?
serious. I thought she was saying not to have a line. I was like,
No. Oh my god, that would be bad. If I get there and the girls have their hairs out, I'm gonna cry.
if you get there and the girls,
Have their little hairs out?
this is why your ponytail wasn't staying because you weren't doing it tight enough.
Because how the hell am I supposed to reach to the back of my head like that?
See, does that feel tighter?
Yeah.
She's gonna cry. Dad's done worse to me.
Dad's done worse to me. She said, "Where's your bow?" So should I let
Why
her?
isn't it blue and yellow?
They said yes.
No, she's not gonna have her phone. She ain't gonna have no kind of phone that she doesn't have a phone.
I have my flip phone.
Trying to see how to put this. This is what everybody has to wear today.
Yeah, we're all matching.
What if they're wearing something different?
Like, oh, it's a prank, Kehlani.
And I'll be like, oh no.
You're gonna be the only one in spirit.
Like that. Like that?
Yeah. Is it going through?
Okay, after you leave, I'm gonna change.
Or do you need it higher?
No, that's fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I was gonna put it lower before.
Oh, you're gonna put it lower than
Yeah.
this?
That, if you put it any lower, not high pony.
Yeah, if you put it any lower, that's not a high pony, girl. Mm-hmm.
That's done like.
You
right
know what?
here.
Yesterday I posted me and Mama.
head.
Kilani, yesterday I posted me and Mama. Come here, Mama. Yesterday I posted me and Mama a picture of us, and she's dressed like, because she's wearing Bubba shorts. Because one thing about my girl right here is that she does not mind having hand-me-downs from her brother. And she dresses all kinds of ways, and she is like wearing a Mexico jersey and her brother's shorts, and people are like, oh, she's a tomboy. Oh, she's a tomboy. And they're like, Kilani's the only girly one. And I was like,
Don't
y'all.
bring that up.
And I said, y'all didn't see Kilani when she was Mama's age.
Yeah, because it was.
She was
worse.
like, cause tonight will be the night that I...
Mom was literally wearing
It was
pants
worse.
from 7th
It
grade
was
that Kehlani
worse.
begged her to get.
And then, so honestly, I feel like Mama just dresses different
Look
every
at
day.
my pajamas.
Look at her pajamas. They're like super girly, like... So,
They're
you know what? Let's just...
You have an appointment coming on August 3rd.
I know, I have a nail appointment. What? I want to get different nails for Baja Fest. What? There
As
you
you
go.
can see,
Don't lose that, because I need that for
this
Baja
shirt.
Fest.
I'm not taking this. I was gonna spray it on my face right now, but.
Spray it. Or there's a big one right there. Look, right there.
See, Mom, this is one of those tight shirts.
Yeah. So Mama just dresses different, honestly, all the time. We're gonna go school clothes shopping today, so we'll see what she picks.
Someone said tell her to play rock, paper, scissors with her friends.
Instead of giving her a phone. Here, we'll lock it in.
And I also have this one. It's kind of like it.
That's cute.
She doesn't want it higher.
No, Dad literally put my high pony like in the middle of my head.
Ready?
I just inhaled a big chunk of it. I could feel that hair.
It was a cat hair.
Dad used gel to do
Okay.
my high ponies. Not hairspray. Is that setting spray?
Alright. You guys, she's grounded for personal information that you
I
can't
feel like
have.
Mama right now.
Okay, let me start getting ready, because I gotta take these kids to the mall. Oh! You guys, I swear to God, I've been sleep deprived ever since New York.
What do you mean?
And I feel like last night I finally got like decent rest. Because I had been waking up like super early for Kehlani's cheer. And then I'll go to the gym while she's at cheer. Oh, hell no. Mommy, is my Awala in the car?
No, my walls in the car.
Can you go grab either of them and put water and ice in it? I'm so thirsty.
Did I bring your water?
severely dehydrated.
Olga, I feel like that's good enough, girl. They said no bumps and all this. So I gotta redo it.
Oh,
Still cold.
Are they gonna have theirs like perfect?
Still cold.
I don't think
Oh,
so.
thank you, baby.
but it's just
In the
easier.
garage. Because I remember
I'll
I
fix
had
it in a
to-
minute.
We could
I'll
jump.
fix it before we leave.
can
Let me
jump.
get ready really quick. No, I'll take it out and then smooth it with Breeze's hard brush.
Smoothie. That's gonna hurt.
Mom, why is your voice low-key
Cute.
smoothing?
I was like, what? I have a butt chin out of nowhere, but it's not. It's something black.
Mom, you think I should bring more than one bathing suit?
No, it was a hairspray.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would. In case you shit yourself in one.
I'm gonna shit myself right
using
now.
yours, so.
Did you try it on?
Yeah.
Did it fit?
Yeah.
Or was your coochie out?
No, it fit.
Like,
I just had to shave.
Did Mom tell you about her fart that dropped onto the floor?
It always drops on the floor.
yeah, they all have to wear the same makeup. I'll do her ponytail. I'm gonna go to TikTok though, cause I'm gonna get ready. Cause after I drop Kehlani off work, I'm taking my littles to the mall. They're gonna go school clothes shopping. How about you guys let her parent? I think I am gonna let her take my spare phone, but it has no service, you guys. So has no service. She will have a rule that she cannot be on social media. and I will know.
While the others are texting their boyfriends.
But yeah. But she just wants to be able to, like, play games with the girls, I guess. She does not want the ponytail higher. If the cheer moms or whoever's there makes her do it higher, then I guess. But I'm going to go to TikTok so I can get ready with y'all. So TikTok, Beauty by Bianca 91. I'll see y'all over there. My PJs? I don't know. They were from when I was pregnant. I think I got them at Marshall's. Oh, why is my chest so itchy? I'll see you guys.